Indeed, that is exactly what we're talking about, Randy. A good look at those rainfall estimates from the last 24 hours, highlighting all of that activity we saw from late yesterday afternoon through the night. Really, a lot of the four-state region escaped without any sort of major rainfall, just a little burst here and there up to about a half an inch. But we did have a couple of trouble areas just south of Winchester along I-81 in Virginia there. Right south of Woodstock really got hit hard as well. And then the one that we saw all of the videos about going through much of Montgomery County near Gaithersburg, stretching then northeast out of our main area here into Howard County and the Baltimore Metro is where a lot of that heavy rain took place last night and caused some flooding issues. But a lot of that has since been alleviated. We have not had a drop of rain out there since about 4 in the morning. It's been dry. We have had a good mix of clouds and sun, given that we are under a northwest wind right now. But all in all, things are certainly a lot drier and just quieter in general as we go into this afternoon. There's the center of that storm system now centered over the northeast, taking all of that heavy rainfall with it. There's a frontal boundary that it stretched across the area, moved east of us, and now on the backside of that, that's how we're experiencing this drier, more comfortable air that's in place. Look at these dew points. This morning, the dew point was up near 70. It felt downright muggy as we were dealing with that rainfall, but that has since been kicked out of here as we have dew points mostly in the middle to upper 50s. What a change. And it's all been ushered in by those occasionally annoying northwest winds. It is a bit breezy out there, up to about 20 miles an hour. Noticeable stuff. But overall, it's not something that we have to fret about. It's only going to stay breezy into the night tonight. The biggest thing, though, it is less humid through today and for the day tomorrow before that next batch of rain moves in on Saturday. We're still talking about just some light scattered showers. It's not going to rain all day on Saturday, and we're not talking about a full-blown washout either. So things are just looking a little bit better anyway, but expect some rainfall before we bring the temperatures back up, we bring the humidity back up, and we have a pretty typical summer forecast, at least on paper, for the beginning of next week. Now, let's check it out for the rest of the day. The cloud cover is not showing up as much here on Future Tracker, but as we go through the rest of the afternoon, each passing hour, we should wear away at that cloud deck a bit more so that by the time we get into the night tonight, it is going to be completely clear, calm, and it's also going to cool down a little bit as well. We'll start out the day tomorrow with plenty of sunshine, and it's going to likely last up until the afternoon hours. Then the clouds start to roll their way back in as we go into your Friday night, but the rainfall should mostly hold off until Saturday morning. But you see how it does move right in there around 6 a.m. Still very light, very scattered in nature, but this is the next batch of rain that we're going to have to pay attention to as we start out our weekend plans there on Saturday. Sunday's looking good. Behind that next system, a few spotty showers in the upper 70s, and then we really kick up the warmth back to the upper 80s with that humidity as well, and that combination will lead to the development of some isolated showers and storms beginning next Tuesday.